Okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. And in this video specifically, guys, we're going to create something amazing Java project, and we're going to make this calculator here function. So to do so, we're going to implement some of the JavaScript code into this calculator, guys. So to get started, guys, I'm using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, guys. So I've already declared the I've already declared the HTML and the CSS code, as you can see here. And this is what the result of this code here. HTML is combination of the CSS, so this is the result of the HTML and the CSS one. And we are going to make this calculator functions by using JavaScript. So to do so, guys, I'm going to get started by just coming to the code editor here, and I'm using Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to create a JavaScript code. As you can see, this HTML here, you can see to all of this button here, calculator button, I have created there. I have declared the certain function here. You can see, for example, for this one, clear result function, but also delete last character function. So we are going to define all of these functions in the JavaScript, so that this code can get learning on the calculator, guys. So to do so, I'm going to start by creating a new Java project, and I'm going to select the language. So here we're going to create a JavaScript. So to create a JavaScript, let have the let make better arrangement. So this is a JavaScript, and I'm going to save this file. So let me come scroll all the way to this one here, and let me come here. So this one will be, let's save this at the let's say at the javascript.js, and if you save this file, now you can see on my HTML code all the way down here. This is a JavaScript. Now you can see this is a small j, and this is capital letter J. So we need to change this. So let's change this J here will be of capital letter. So this is a JavaScript. I connect to the HTML code, and I have already created the JavaScript file here. So now I'm going to start writing the JavaScript code. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start getting this one. So this, if you come to the HTML code, you can see it is this one. It is this one, input of type text, and you can see I declare the ID, which it is called the result. So I'm going to obtain this. I'm going to get the result element from the HTML code by declaring the simple JavaScript code, and I'm going to say I'm going to call it, let me call it that, and I'm going to will be document element get element. We're going to, since we are using the ID, so will be get element by ID. So our ID, it is, if you come to this one, you can see the ID, it is called a result. So here I'm going to say the ID, it is result. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start declaring the functions to make the calculator function. So to do so, you can see here we need to create the function to clear the result, but also to delete the last character, to append the character, and you can see here. So these are some of the functions we are going to create, and we are going to declare them on the JavaScript code. So I'm going to start declaring them one after another. So to start with appending character to the result, guys. So I'm going to create the function which is going to to append the character. So to do so, let me say so this is a function, and with this function we're going to pass this variable here character, and the function code will be, since we are going to we're going to append the result, so we're going to be the the result, then value, and we're going to set it at at the empty set. So this is the function which is going to append the result, and now I'm going to create another function which is going to delete the last character in the result. As you can see here, if this button to delete the last character here. So if you come to the calculator here, you can see this one should delete the last character. So to do so, let's come back to our code editor, come to our JavaScript code, and now we're going to create another function which is going to be, this function is going to be, let's say it is clear result, and the function code it is going to be, now we're going to be result. Okay, there are the mistakes. So this one this one it is going to be empty. So this is one it is going to append the character, but this one it is since it is going to append the character, so the character should be updated. So let me come here, and I'm going to modify this. Then this one will be here, it is going to add the character, guys. So this is a function to append the character, and this one it is the function to clear the results. So what I'm going to do next, in case of when you want to delete the last character in the result, guys. So this is going to clear. For example, you can see this C here. This C, it is going to clear anything, guys. So in this input here, and this is clean. So now we're going to create the function that it is going to delete the last character. So the function will be, function, and this I'm going to say, by creating the meaningful declaration here, it is going to help you in your coding understanding. So if you have the longest code, then these are some of the things you need to consider, because it is going to make you more easier, more readable, more understandable your code, guys. So here I'm going to say the result, and since I'm going to delete the last character, so the result, then I'm going to set the result of value will be, so will be this one, and let's say it is going to, so this it is going to delete the last character, guys. And what we're going to do next, I'm going to create another function which is now to calculate the results. So to calculate the result, we are going to declare another function. As you can see here, if you come to the HTML code, you can see this here, calculate the result. So this is will be the equal sign. So the equal sign, it is this one to calculate the result, guys. So now let me come back to our code editor, and to calculate the result, I'm going to create another function, and this function I'm going to call it, let's say, will be calculate, and I'm going to pass nothing, and the code for this one will be of two things. So I'm going to introduce the try the try and the catch code here. So let me say try. So I'm going to pass in our try. So I'm going to here I'm going to evaluate the expression and set the result. So here the result of value will be equal to this one, and the result of the value, guys. So this it is going to evaluate the expression and set the result. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass the catch. So here I'm going to pass this, and I'm going to get to declare the code of this one. So the catch code will be if there an error occurred, guys. So I'm going to show the alert message to the screen. So So I'm going to declare the alert message when the error occurred. So will be like this one. So here I'm going to pass this one. So this is going to to check if the error occurred. Then it is going to show the alert message. So now let's come to see if there is any problem in our code. So okay, no problem with there. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to save these changes of the JavaScript code. And as you can see here, this is HTML code. So since I added the Java here, I'm going to save these changes also. And this is the CSS of our code. So you need to make sure you save all of the changes now. If you come back to our calculator here and then refresh the page, now you can see if you start lighting, you can see it is going to lighting maybe this one plus 2. If you clear, then you need to see. But also, if you want to clear, just press this. Let me say I press this one and I want to delete the last character, so I'm going to do something like this. But also you can see you can do many things here. The calculator, it has got the full function of the calculator, guys. So this is all about this video, and I hope this video makes sense and they had some value to you guys. So if so, then drop your like and subscribe to this channel. We always come up with the valuable content for you guys. So this is all about this video. Thank you for this one, and I will see you in the next coming wonderful video.